to our guest speaker, Dr. Suriona T. Ebol, to our school president, Mr. Severo V. Carillo, to our school directress, Mrs. Violeta T. Carillo, to our headmaster, Mr. Jim Brian T. Carillo, to our assistant headmaster, Mrs. Utilidad A. Lansigan, administrators, teachers, beloved parents, to my fellow graduates, relatives, and friends, good morning. Graduation is a time on the past and looking forward to the future. It is a time that we as graduates have just finished our preschool days and have moved on to new adventures. I remembered my first day as a senior kinder. When I entered the school classroom, I saw many new faces. I felt quite nervous. Nervous because I am a year younger than my new classmates. From nursery, I jumped to senior kinder, but I believe these new faces will be my new friends and buddies towards a new wonderful learning experience. And today, as I stand in front of you, I can say that the gut feeling on that very first day is indeed true. I hope to see you again next school year. We all have developed bonds and became friends, and those memories will be treasured forever. As we end one glorious chapter of our lives, a new one begins. As our poem says, there is inside you all of the potentials to be whatever you want to be. We are born with lots of talents and endowed with knowledge. With the support of our beloved parents who get the special credits for their efforts in giving the best education and their love, to our administrators and teachers who wholeheartedly dedicate their passion in providing us quality education, I salute you for doing more and giving more, not only to excel the academic field but also in our social endeavors. And of course, the key towards our success is our own determination and willpower. And most of all, with the guidance of our Lord, I know and I believe that everything is possible. We should study and strive hard and conquer every challenge to achieve success in life. As children, we already did what we wanted to. And all of that will be possible if we have the right focus and with the support of our family, school, and community. To my fellow graduates, let us all enjoy learning, follow our hearts, and be happy because what matters to us to be able to say that we had a wonderful childhood. Thank you and congratulations, graduates of 2012. Mabuhay tayo lahat!